Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to work on my daughter's apartment. As you can see the before and now is the after. She's always working. I said to myself it's a good time to clean the apartment for her. Now this is a part 1. I'm gonna have other part 2 coming up very soon. And I want to say a big thank you to Indressme storage and organization that sponsored this video. Guys, as you can see, those baskets are so lovely. I love them so very much. They are well made and very affordable, and you can make your house look expensive on budget. And I'm going to do a giveaway of some of those baskets, and guys, I don't want you to miss none of that. Please make sure to comment down below, and next week I'm going to announce the winner. Okay, and in this one I opened 2 of them. The first one, as you already see, it's a light color, and this one is a gray and white too, but I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this gray and white because it's larger for what I want to use it for. You can use them in the laundry, use them as storage, or use them to style your house. They have some great offers going on. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down for you guys. Let's make my daughter happy. Let's get to work. Keep on watching.
Time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can you Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling.
I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my nails, I do my hair, I do home decor, I do DIY, clean with me, nursing vlog. That's what I'm working on right now because I just graduated from nursing school. Yay guys, I'm so happy. And if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe today. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so very much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you. I love you all, and keep on watching.
It's not quite the same. I wish you were here now by the fire.
Most of the stuff that I use in this video, those are the ornaments I already have at home. I bought them after Christmas last year, so I didn't have to spend that much money to decorate. I'm going to leave my sister channel in the description box down below as well. She nailed her Christmas tree this year. Go ahead and check her out.
Christmas. The time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can you Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snow Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no. It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 it don't feel right without you. No, 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 it don't feel right without you.
This is a finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Like it, share it. I'm going to leave the link of Indressme website in the description box down below for you guys, so you can go ahead and check them out and buy the basket. And you can use it as a Christmas gift for your loved one or for yourself. I really like the way it turns out, guys. Don't forget to like the video, okay? And those LED, I always show the night part because I'm a light freak. I love light everywhere. It makes such a difference at nighttime. Thank you so very much, guys, for taking your time watching my video. I love you so very much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.